educational outline, and my group choose a waterfall model to represent in SDLC project. So, uh, I get a question. Identify whether the chosen SDLC is categorized under predictive life cycle or additive software development. Here is my research. The first introduced waterfall model is by Dr. Winston W. Royce and published in 1970. Okay, the waterfall model is a software development process. The waterfall model emphasizes that a logical progression of steps be taken throughout the software development life cycle. Okay, another that waterfall model is a pioneer of SDLC process. It was the first model which was widely used in the software industry. Okay.
Hello and good morning. My name is Muhammad Khairi bin Otman. I will be briefing about waterfall model SDLC. As we know, waterfall model was the first model to be introduced and first used is in SDLC development. It is simple and understand to use. Each phase must be complete before next phase can begin. The design. Waterfall approach was first SDLC model to be used widely in software engineering to ensure success of the project. In the waterfall approach, the whole process of software development is divided into split phase. In this waterfall model, typically the outcome of one phase acts as the input for the next phase sequentially. We will go through these phases in the next slide. Sequential phase. Requirement gathering analysis. All possible requirements of the system to be developed are captured in this phase. System design. The requirement specification from first phase are studied in this phase and the system design is prepared. Implementation. With input from the system design, the system is first developed in small program called unit which are integrated in the next phase. Each unit is developed and test for its functionality. Integration and testing. All the units developed in the implementation phase are integrated into a system after testing of each unit. Deployment of system. Once the functional and non-functional testing is done, the product is deployed in the customer environment or released into the market. Maintenance. There are some issues which come up in the client environment. To fix those issues, patches are released. Also to enhance the product, some beta version are released. Maintenance is done to deliver this change in the customer environment. But for SDLC, there are two types of designing. The first one is HLD, high level designing. Example is flowchart. The second one LLD, which means low level designing. For example, use case diagram, activity diagram. By referring to the LLD, designed by the designer, the developer will start to develop that particular product by coding it. After the development of the product, it tested by the engineer to check whether the product is satisfying by the CRS. After testing, an installation engineer will go to the customer place and install the particular software by using the reference guide. So that's all. Bye.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I'm Muhammad Sharafuddin. Today I will explain you about how some of 5 project management process group could be similar to a waterfall project process. So for the first project that could be similar is planning project in project management process, and in waterfall model process is design. So we can assume it had same meaning, which is both process are emphasized about how we design and plan the project, which can lead to a successful and accomplishment of a project. So we move to the second is the process of project management process group, which is controlling and monitoring processes, meanwhile testing for the waterfall process that could be similar. This is because for the both process explain about how we test and monitoring the project that can be ensure the project running well and can take corrective action if have same mistake. So for the last is closing process for project management process group and operation for waterfall model process. So why it can be similar? It because both of process can analyzing acceptance of the project and bringing to the end. It also ensures the application is ready for deployment to a live environment. So we can conclude it as a closing project without a mistake. So that's three of plan process that could be similar of model process. So thank you.